Hey guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'll guide you how you can easily use Woodpecker. This is a step-by-step tutorial in which you're gonna understand the whole overview how you can use Woodpecker. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is go to top right and click get a free trial. You will have a link down below also in the description. So I will simply add a name, also company, email and password. And now you can get free cold email templates, expert tips in our weekly newsletter. This is something that I would enable if I would be you, because you can learn a lot, like their emails are good. So start a free trial. And I'm going to show you how you can use it and what are the basics of Woodpecker. So right now we are here, and what we can find here. So I can simply be here in Woodpecker, and I can click here on a panel. Okay, and what you're gonna find? You're gonna find campaigns, then you're gonna find also the prospects, deliverability, and also inbox. So you can add an email account to manage all replies from one place. So this is really good. And let's start. We can simply add a prospect. To add a prospect, you need to click on a prospect and click add a prospect, or you can simply choose import manually or from integration. So I can click here manually, and I can simply add an email. So let's like this one, first name, Tonelius, the company, and website, LinkedIn URL, and you're gonna have like plenty of things here, plenty of data that you can change. Like it really depends if you're gonna use like if you're gonna import it, you will have more data, of course, or if you're gonna like create it by yourself, it's going to take a little bit of time. So here you can simply find the prospects, and then you're gonna have also the inbox, where you can click here and add an email account, and you can simply email provider and like connect it with, let's say, Office Exchange. That's like completely up to you. And I don't think this thing is going to work right now because you need to have like SMTP server. So you can like connect your email. Now, if you want to connect email and you don't know how, like let's say Office or Gmail, let me down below in the comments and I'll create like separate tutorial on that. Right now, I'm going to show you how you can simply use campaigns. So here I'm going to click here and add a campaign. Now, send from, you can simply connect email here, as I mentioned. So wait a second. I'm going to do something right now. I'm going to connect email just in a fast way, so you can see how it works. Okay, here we are. So I'm configuring the email account. I just clicked on a random Gmail account that I have. And right now we're going to wait, and then we can continue. So in the moment when it's going to like be on, I'm going to show you what you can do here. I have to log in, all right. Okay, and here we are. Set up your name and signature. So this is for the email that I added connected to Woodpecker. So when you're gonna enter and connect your Woodpecker email, you're gonna add a name, then also you can add a paste or signature. And BCC to CRM. So if you're a CRM otherwise you will add it right here. Then I would click save here. You can always have it and then press OK. Now in the moment when you have it, and I have the campaign, so this is the campaign name that I'm going to name, let's say, basic campaign. And then you can always find here like how it works. And have it right here. And then what you can have here is that you can run it. You can find the statistics and settings. This is the email that we have. And we have the path here, right? So we're gonna have like click here, add a condition. And now if a prospect first snippet first name is not empty, then yes, send an email. And then what I can do, I can simply add multiple versions here, right? You can always add more paths here. So let's say if address is equals or contains, or if the email is not empty or equals. So you can always create a campaign based on this condition. Then yes or no. So if it's not empty, then we have the version A, so we can simply choose here. And then the version A can be, let's say, subject, hi there, thanks for signing up for our newsletter. That's a subject. And then we're gonna add an email. So here, this is like, hi, first name, thanks for joining our newsletter. Hope it will be beneficial. And you can always edit the email. You can have like plenty of company here, country, if you want to use those, and will automatically like connect with the person that you have there. And then you're gonna have also the timeline here. So you can have like new sending window, like when do you want to send it actually to people. You can simply send a test email or spam check this email, or you can delete it. And then when you're gonna have this and you're gonna write the first email, you can simply go further and you can add the steps. So I can click here, add a step, and have a version A, and type the email here and have a subject. So that's something you can do too. And again, wait 3 days and next email. So if I'm going to send this, you can create like really great campaigns. Then I'm going to wait 3 days and going to send a different email. So that's pretty much it, how we can do it. It's nothing that really difficult. And you can add another step. Then you're gonna have also the prospects. Right here. That you can add from integration or from database, and summary. Email. So I'm going to add manually the prospects. Or from database. So these are the prospects that we have here, like who we want to actually send to. And right now we see that campaign, we have the prospects and also the path here, how we're gonna send the email. And then what the last step is just like have a summary, emails path, yes, 2 emails, path number, 1 email, A/B testing, no, and prospects. This campaign includes 2 prospects. And then you can simply send a test campaign or preview how it looks like. And you're gonna find always the preview right here. So this is pretty much it, how we do it. It's nothing that like difficult. And yeah. So we have, if it's not empty, then no, send an email, and this would be email that you would edit. If yes, you would send an email. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can use the Woodpecker. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down below in comments. I hope you are going to have a great day, and yeah, see ya and goodbye.